Let's see the ingredients. We have taken here chopped onions, 2 finely chopped green chilies, 2 lemons, lengthwise cutted onion, lengthwise cutted coconut, or you can shred it. Take a small piece of coconut, coriander finely chopped, tomatoes finely chopped. I have taken here 2 tomatoes. Then here we have mixed spice powder, then red chili powder, turmeric powder, mixed pulses. I have soaked them for nearly about 6 to 8 hours and then pressure cooked it with little bit of salt and turmeric powder. You can take pulses of your choice. This is mixed farsan. Then this is ginger garlic paste, cooking oil and salt. Now I have kept the vessel for heating. In that we'll be adding oil. We added onion and coconut. Now we'll fry it till slightly golden brown and then we'll make puree out of it. Now see, our onions and coconut has fried and now we'll grind it into a smooth puree. Now see, our puree is ready. I have added little water and grinded it into a smooth paste. Now in the same pan we'll add oil for tempering. Now let the oil heat. Then we'll add in onion. Now we added in onion. We'll saute it for 2 minutes till it turns light golden. Now see, our onion has turned little pink. Now we'll add ginger garlic paste to it and saute it properly till the raw aroma goes. Now it's time to add spices. We'll add one by one. First we'll add turmeric, then we'll add red chili powder, then we'll add mixed masala and we'll stir it. We added in tomatoes. Now we'll add little bit of salt. Just be careful while adding salt because you have already added in the pulses while boiling. Now our tomatoes are nice and soft. Now it's time to add our coconut paste. I've added 3 tablespoons. You can adjust as per your taste. Our masala is ready now. I'm adding few chilies finely chopped for extra heat. I love the extra punch in my misal. You can skip this step if you want. Now we'll be adding our pulses in it. Just stir it and add water to bring it to right consistency. I added water to it. Just don't make it too liquid. For me this consistency is right. So I'll keep it for boiling for 2-3 minutes. We'll be adding little bit of coriander when it boils. So it will give a nice taste to your misal. Our misal is ready now. We'll serve it. Our spicy, tempting misal is ready.